All right, hey guys. This assignment is the assignment that we did on the first day of class. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, September 8th and September 9th. I'm going to explain it to you. So this is an about me slide, right? So the link that I sent you or that is in the Hub learning path is this link. The first thing that I need you to do is I need you to go to File right here. Notice my name in the left corner, File. And then you are going to go 5 down to make a copy. And you are going to select Entire Presentation. Once you select that, this will pop up, the Copy Document slide, and you are going to highlight that whole part, Copy of Miss Sayers About Me, and you're going to put your name here. Right? So whatever your name may be, say it's Carlos Diaz's About Me. And you are going to click OK. Once that is up, what you're going to do, you see this is the Miss Salyers one. This is the link I just sent you. You're going to exit out because you don't need that one. You only need the one that has your name right here in the left corner. Once you have this and the Miss Sire one is closed and all you have open is the one with your name on it, you're going to come over here to the right corner and you're going to click share and you are going to share it with me. My email is csalyer@houstonisd.org. When you type that in, a picture of Harry should pop up and you are going to click that and then click send. This is how you will turn things in, right? I will be able to see your slide, so it will automatically be turned in for you. Now, the assignment. What you're going to do is this slide is all about you. Obviously, you can see that this one over here, my example, is super colorful. You can make this one super colorful, change the font, the background, whatever you need to do. But here we go. So first box, it says add a picture of yourself here. It can be a selfie or a posed photo, but I need a picture of yourself here. To add a picture from your computer, you can click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. So you're going to have your picture saved on your computer. Here's a cute one of me that I haven't shown you yet. So add a picture of yourself and then it'll come out big and then you can just make it small. Oh, I flipped it. Whatever you need to do. And then whatever, you can resize it and do what you need to do. But I need to be able to see your face here. The second one is add an emoji or a Bitmoji that shows how you're feeling about distance learning. You can also insert pictures from the web. So I know that I don't really have emojis or Bitmojis saved on my computer. So I'm going to search the web. Notice I went to Insert, Image, Search the web. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to look for a scared emoji face because virtual learning makes me feel scared. I feel like this one really just hits the nail on the head. All right. He's so scared. And then I'm going to put him here, right? Obviously, I'm going to make this look pretty. I'm going to erase these things in the back, but I just wanted to show y'all how to insert pictures. This next box, you're going to list 3 facts about yourself. Put your name here, obviously. Tell me about your favorite TV show or movie and a favorite quote and tell me why you like this quote. So this first one, you can edit and make your own. You can follow this one for my example, right? There's me. There's how Miss Sawyer is feeling about virtual learning. The 3 facts about me. I love the beach or really anywhere near the coast. I've been to 12 countries and I'm allergic to Chick-fil-A. My favorite TV show is Big Brother. I like it because it's all about mental strategy and competing to be the best. And then strive for progress, not perfection is my quote. And then I explain why it's my favorite quote. So this was our assignment that we did on Tuesday. Like I said earlier, as long as it is shared with me, You can triple, double, whatever, quadruple check that it's shared with me by clicking that share button again and seeing that it's shared with Chelsea Salyer. If it's shared with Chelsea Salyer, then it is turned in and you are done. Let me know if you have any questions.